of woman. I'm that type of woman. I'm that type of woman. Listen, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman, the type of woman that'll go out and get it. And I ain't with that shoo-shoo and all that gossiping. Ain't worried what's in your pockets. I'm just minding my business. You see, I'm the type of woman, not any type of.
You know, sometimes we underestimate just how special home cooked meals can be. So, this day, as I stood in my kitchen after a long day, I decided to make something I would usually order at a restaurant: beef ribs and a roasted potato salad. And the truth is, they came out so good, so tender, and full of flavor. I couldn't believe I made them myself. That's when it hit me. As a homemaker, you can create restaurant quality meals right at home. You just need to plan ahead. So, when I did my grocery shopping this time around, I came across these beef ribs, and you know, I'm a meat girly. I don't have to say this. So I came across these beef ribs and they were so cheap, but yet expensive. So I decided, okay, let me just take them and then I'll cook them on one of those days that I'm really craving beef ribs, and I'll make some for my family. So yeah, I think meal planning really makes a difference. You know, before you go out grocery shopping, you just have to know that there are certain days where you will be craving a steak or some ribs or even some seafood. So when you plan your meals properly, you know exactly what ingredients to buy when you go shopping. So instead of running to the restaurant every time a craving hits, you can satisfy that craving right in your own kitchen. And this is what I decided to do on this day. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melody Valeria, your favorite internet sister who cooks, cleans, crafts, and does everything and anything in between. I have two beautiful boys that I'm so proud to be called their mom. I'm a wife, and yeah, I also own a crafting business. I hope that you love it here. So today we'll be cooking, as I said, making some beef ribs and some roasted potato salad, and later on we'll be cleaning together the night shift before going to sleep. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and also turn your post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post a new video. Please, guys, like this video, okay? As a woman and as a mom, I genuinely love being in the kitchen. I always say this: I love experimenting with my food. I love exploring new recipes, searching for ideas, learning techniques, and just playing around with flavors. There's something so fulfilling about watching your family enjoy a meal you poured your love into. It's not just cooking, it's creativity, it's care, it's connection. It's where love becomes food and food becomes memories. I always stress this: there is no woman who cannot cook, especially in this day and age where there is social media, there is YouTube, there is TikTok, there is Instagram, there is Facebook. There are groups being created to teach people how to cook. There are cooking channels. Guys, the list is endless. You cannot tell me in this day and age you don't know how to cook a proper meal for your family. Just look up a recipe. There is no guilt in looking up a recipe and learning things from the internet. That's how you grow. That's how you learn a skill. You learn from someone. So don't wait for times that you have to go out to give your family a really good meal. Learn something. Go on the internet. The internet is not just for you to scroll and scroll and scroll and benefit nothing from it. You can benefit a lot from the internet if you make good use of it. So, as a woman, as a mom, as a wife, learn how to nourish your family with good home cooked meals. And just like that, guys, just like that, a meal has been prepared, and now my family gets to enjoy this without having to pay extra. Because this, I remember that our favorite restaurant, when we go out and we order ribs, the bill will be around 230 something rand up to 300 rand. So now imagine that I managed to cook a meal that has ribs in it for less than 100 rand. Those ribs combined, the two legs, were less than 100 rand. So just imagine that. So let's learn these cues and nature our families, guys. So after dinner, I cleaned up, packed everything away, and just took a moment to breathe. I love going to bed with my house clean. I know that I'm starting on a fresh, clean slate the next morning. I, I love it, guys. That peaceful feeling when your kitchen smells like nothing had happened, like you did not cook in there when you go to bed. Yeah, I love that. I love that because you can't have a kitchen smelling like food when you go to bed. You need to leave your kitchen and your house smelling and looking good before you go to bed, because you can't have the stress of starting to clean in the morning now. no, we can't do that around here. So yeah. Guys, that is the video for today. I hope that you've learned a trick or two about meal planning, cooking for your family, and also cleaning before going to bed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't go away without liking. Don't go away without subscribing if you haven't. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. It can only happen if you guys make it happen. And also drop a, let's see, drop a blue emoji in the comment section to tell me that you have reached this part of the video, and I know that you are real royalty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.